Hello, my name is Marcy Duggar. I'm from M&J Rustic Creations. We're new at the junk journaling world, and well, I want to show you our newest kit. It's called Let the Light In. It's a springy type kit. Lots and lots and lots of stuff in this kit, and you can find it on our Etsy store. Link will be below. So I'm just going to show you the kit itself. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or email me. This is some collage styles I've done for the kit. Put the florals and some ephemera in there. And some reds and blues. It's pretty, isn't it? Yeah. Collage is my favorite style. Some reds. And some envelopes. Another envelope. A little green envelope. Postcards. Some shipping tags. More postcards. Lots of flowers. Okay, now these sets here, there's 3 in a set. The first one has some words here with the flowers here. Second one has the flowers on the other side, no words. And then the third one is exactly like the first one, but there's no words. Same. Kind of gives you a little variety. So it kind of, that's why there's a lot more stuff and a lot more pages in this kit, because I wanted to give these 3 versions, because that way you have it with the words, and then you have it without the words, and then you have it without the words, but on the opposite side. So you have both sides covered. And it's a little different. It doesn't have the watercolor on this one. So that's what you get. There's a few different versions here. This is Inspire Others. This one's Perfectly Imperfect. Flowers there. See, then here's the second one without the writing. And then the third one on the opposite side. And there's another one. Oh, that one said, yeah, I already said that one. This one's Pure Happiness with the red flowers. Can you see that? Pure Happiness. And this one has no writing on it. I mean, it has script on the background, but. And then the third one is on the opposite side. Okay. And here's the next one. It's in pink and purples, little purples. So I think this one's my favorite. I don't know, maybe the blue one. This one says Peaceful Bliss. There's the flowers. Right. And there's the same version without the words. And then the opposite. This one says Beautiful Soul. Here's the next version without words. And the opposite side of the page. You notice I print all mine on cardstock. I like the weight of it in my book. And here is some journaling pages with lined ones. So when you put it in the book and fold it, it'll have both sides there. And here's one, like I say, when you put it in the book, these 2 sides will show. It's a pretty bouquet, isn't it? The flowers. I really like that one. And all these have like a little bit of a watercolor touch to them. And here's another one. Maybe I'm gonna learn all the flower names, but I don't know them now. And these came out real pretty. You see them? I like the coloring on those. Those will look real good in the book. And here's some more flowers with the lines. Here's my favorite line page. I love these. These are pretty. You see them? I think this is the last lined one, yeah. Here's a pretty bouquet with this script in there in blue. And here's more of a collage style. There's them in the corners. And here's more. This is the image, but it's blown up more, so it's bigger on the page. And this one gives you like a glass effect. Can you see that? It's real pretty in the light. Sometimes I swear it shimmers. And here's some pattern backgrounds. The green, multicolored, faded. I love the faded look on papers. And here's one here, kind of a grayish beige. Depends on which way you turn it, I guess. Oh, here's more of that glass effect. Yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty one. There's another one. This is my favorite of the glass effect looking. Yeah. Probably can't see it in the video, but here's another background. And the last background. There. And you can print yours on one side like this, but I do all my pages I do double-sided. I can just fold them and use them. All right, and yeah, I think I showed all the envelopes and such. Here they are, some of them cut out and put together. A couple of the tags. Well, that's from another kit. This one's the one I really like. I found one of the envelopes out on, what do you call it? Tracing paper. I really like the look. See through. Look at that. See through look. It came out real pretty. This is a heavyweight tracing paper. It dried real good. I didn't have any issues with it, really. Came right, I have a Canon printer. Came right through with no problems. So that is Let the Light In. Now that's just part one of the kit. There's more to this kit. And there's a Let the Light In 2. It's more of a darker version. Might be, I don't know. Here's some tags. Around here. There you go. Yeah, I see some more darker version. Same graphics really, just a darker version here. I mean, not as much in this one, of course. It's just all the flowers and with a little vintagey look to them. It's got the lines down them, look like a book page. Another one. And these double printed. That's in the kit. The free version is black, pink, and a blue on that one. There's some more. And it's a collage style with pinks and the reds. Little blue. Not much blue. There's a little blue in there. And here's another collage style. And a line style. That's what's in that one. There's not a whole lot in this one. But this is more like an add-on. And then I just kept going and going and going and going. I couldn't stop myself from designing, apparently. So, some of these are duplicates, I think, but some of them will be another add-on. Some more background papers type thing. Some more of the cards. One of the backgrounds. I really like that one. More of the collage stuff that comes with the first kit. So, yep. I just kept going and going and going. I couldn't stop myself. So there's a lot in this. Like I said, check out the link below to take you to the Etsy store. And when journals are done using this, we'll have them on the our Facebook group, which also is a link down there in the description box. For it's called M&J Junk Journals, M&J Rustic Creations, M&J Junk Journals. It's on Facebook. Check that out. We'll be having a lot more YouTube videos. These are just showing the products of